seen mugshots of Jared Laughner. This photo, taken January 10th, 2 days after the horrific shooting that killed 6 people, wounded more than a dozen others, including Congresswoman Gabrielle Giffords. It's a picture that his attorneys did not want you to see. They fought tooth and nail to keep this from going public, and our Fox 10 legal analyst Monica Lindstrom is with us right now. I can see why. I mean, this is a creepy picture, much like the first one.
Oh, definitely.
Why are they fighting this?
Well, they argued, number one, that it invades his right to privacy, and number two, it has no probative effect or value to it. And the first part of the argument is very weak. Invade your right to privacy? I mean, how much privacy do you really have in a mugshot right after you're arrested, taken by a public agency? There's no right to privacy there.
I've never heard of that. We've covered a lot of big cases and big trials, and we almost always get the mugshot. And of course, we got this one right away. This was taken immediately after the shootings, and this one was creepy as well. So, I mean, once this shot is out, why would his attorneys say, we don't want any more out? The whole world has seen this.
Right. Well, if you look at that second picture, the actual mugshot, it's not a good picture of him. It's as creepy as the first one. So when you look at it,
here they are,
there's really no value to this. We've already seen that he's creepy. He looks a little proud, maybe a little smug, a little happy about it. So there's no value in having this picture out there, is what they're saying. So it shouldn't be out there. It's going to hurt the jury pool or taint or prejudice some people against him.
Now, this new one that was released by the U.S. Marshal Service today shows him in the profile smiling. Again, this was taken 2 days after the deadly shooting. Is there any way that that could actually help his case? I mean, he looks deranged.
Well, absolutely, because they're going to be claiming that he's insane. The whole reason he did this is because he's insane, and what's going to help that is the fact of these pictures. Look at him. He's smug, he's smiling, he looks a little happy, and the jury or people are going to think, how could someone that was sane do something like this? These could help him. So, you know, it could go the defense way. But I do agree with him that there's really no value in this picture for the prosecution. They already have this one, which I think looks worse.
And we know he was smiling during trial, so that's already going to change a lot of people's opinions. Monica Lindstrom, our Fox 10 legal analyst, joining us tonight. Thanks so much.
And we've got a Fox 10 election alert. Former White House Chief of Staff Rahm Emanuel has been elected mayor of Chicago. For a time, Emanuel was kicked off the ballot because of questions over his residency, but that was all resolved. The court ordered him that he could remain on the ballot, saying that he was serving his country while in Washington working for the Obama administration. Emanuel had the money. He had a big lead leading up to the election. He had already been endorsed by both of the city's newspapers. Tonight, your winner of the mayoral race in Chicago is Rahm Emanuel.